To access the mass timber post and beam stream, simply click on the stream, and you will be taken to the interface that pertains to that stream. You'll notice that there are classifications here, and each stream has its own unique set of classification and filters. The filters are specific product attributes that will allow the user to define a broad range of products into a more narrow, comprehensive selection. This will allow for more relevant search results based on user-defined criteria that you are going to select. We do have pre-selected default filters. The goal is to achieve a maximum product discoverability and to reduce navigation time. For the mass timber post and beam stream, the different classifications that we have are dimensional criteria, design criteria, and available products. For the dimensional criteria, we have the structural system filter as well as the nominal width filter. These two filters will allow you to choose between a post and beam or both, and you will notice that each time you click on one of these filters, you will have a tooltip that will appear. You will get a brief description, and if you click on Learn More, you will get a more detailed description of that particular filter. This is true of every filter that you see on every stream. You will notice here that we have some options already pre-selected for you. If you like, you can add to those selections, or if you'd like to choose your own, simply hit the clear filter here, and all of the options that we've pre-selected for you will be cleared. If you'd like to bring them back, simply click the refresh right over here, and those default filters that we've chosen for you will be applicable once again. So here, let me reiterate what the different filters are. For the dimensional criteria, we have the structural system that will allow you to choose between a post and beam or both. Then we have the nominal width criteria. And in here, if you click the little arrows, you'll expand the different sizes that we have. Once again, these are what we've pre-selected for you. If you would like to simply add to that selection, you can by simply clicking on any one of these that you would like to add to your available products here. And then here for the design criteria filters, we have appearance classification, and within that filter, we have architectural, industrial, commercial, or other. We have a stress class, we have bending grades. In the future, we are going to also include compression grades and tension grades. And for the standards and certifications, we have industry standards, resource sustainability class, we have ecological toxicity and human toxicity, and within those, there are some subcategories available as well. For the fire resistance, we have fire resistance between 30 minutes to 120 minutes. Once you've gone ahead and selected the filters that pertain to your choice, you will have a selection of available products down here below. If you can navigate any of these products and then select the ones that you would like to load into your project by simply clicking the ones that you would like. I will go ahead and select these two. Once you've made your selection of the available products, you will hit load, and those post and beams or post or beams will be downloaded into your project. You will get a pop-up letting you know that the post and beam families have been successfully loaded. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. And then you will get this warning that there's a fire rater parameter that doesn't exist in the family and it will be ignored. You can add that if you like. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. And then if you come down here into your family folder here, and we're going to look at the structural columns here, you will see that that glulam post and beam that we selected is now loaded into our project. And then using your preferred method to actually model it into your project, you can either come down here, right click and do create instance, or you can come into architecture column, structural column, and navigate here on the available products here. And that is the mass timber post and beam stream.